Hey guys, I'm starting my stage 1 upgrade on my 2020 Iron 883, and I've decided to go with the Cobra Speedster Short 909 2-to-2 exhaust system. This is a full exhaust replacement, and important to me, it keeps that 2-pipe look versus going to the 2-to-1 style. This product utilizes Cobra's proprietary PowerPoint technology, which connects the two exhaust arms to supposedly offer closer to the performance of a 2-in-1 system. I'm not sure if this is really just a marketing gimmick, but what's clear is it's an absolutely beautiful exhaust system. These things retail for around $430, $440. Sometimes you can find them on sale, and they really do look fantastic. So for now, let's throw them on the bike and let's kind of see how they sound versus the traditional stock setup. So that test was with a warmed up bike, and you can see the stock pipe idle at about 80 decibels sitting on the seat and around 100 decibels when you're revving it. The stock pipes kind of have a whiny sound. They don't have that traditional deep potato sound that you really want to hear out of your Harleys. I'm not sure if the Cobra is going to be too much louder than that, but I do know that they're going to have a much better sound. So let's check out how these things look on the bike and see how it sounds. Okay guys, now that you've seen what these things look like on the bike, let's compare them a little bit. So sitting on the seat at idle, we're at about 88 decibels. Revving, we got up to about 113. So they're not significantly louder than the stock exhaust, but they are much deeper and they do have that truer Harley Davidson sound that most of us are looking for. I'm really impressed with them, specifically performance. I paired them with an Arlen Ness Big Sucker and a Screaming Eagle tuner, and the bike feels night and day different. Comparably, they're around the same price point or even a little bit cheaper than most exhausts out there, so I wouldn't hesitate to recommend anyone picking these up, especially if you want to retain that 2-to-2 style that came kind of stock with the bike. If you guys really enjoyed this, or if you got anything out of this, why don't you throw me a subscription or a like even, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or you just want to say what's up. So ride safe, dudes, and I'm really happy with these bikes.